Hi guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So a beauty related video, no makeup tutorial obviously. So I know I haven't been making any videos lately. The last video I posted was like a month ago, just working and just a lot of things that's happening. But what I have here is pretty much this really cool thing I'm going to be using. Not too clean, but to like place my clean brushes where I put them. So pretty much this video is about how I clean my brushes. I'm only using brushes that I have used on my face before. I just got this package today and this is from the catch of the day. So this package is like a makeup holder when you put your brushes in there and you know let it dry. It's pretty much like that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this up with such bad scissors. It's such a weird package to this. So this is what the package look like here. So just getting out of this package here, just checking there's nothing there. So pretty still, it's what it looks like. And there is another part where you have a stand. Cool. So just to take these out, so obviously it looks like this here. So all the little brushes, all the big ones. So these are the little stands, so it goes like this. I don't know what way it is to go. The only problem about this, there's no extraction, so I'm gonna have to figure this out by myself. Okay, so the other part like here, so this one's clicked, but the other piece doesn't seem like it's going through, and obviously this is what happened, it falls. But I am just gonna leave it like this, as like I'm gonna put it in my bathroom and leave it like just as it stands, and I'm not gonna touch anything out of it. So this is pretty much what it looks like here. So all the brushes goes in there like I said. So now we're gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna show you how I clean my brushes and where I put in there. It's very simple. Let's get into it. So this is my bathroom. So I'm gonna place this here. So these are all my brushes here. So there's a few big ones and there's a lot of small ones. So I'm not going to use all my whole brushes to wash. So these are just the brushes I'm just used and going to clean them. So there's two things I'm going to be using to clean my brushes. So I've been using this is the Johnson's Baby Conditioning Shampoo. This is for soft, manageable hair. I purchased this a while ago and this is really good. And you can clean your brushes with your hands, but I'm actually using my just a little BrushEgg. I have purchased this. I think it was a very long time ago, and I haven't used this for a while because like it is so tiny. So you see, like there is little like kind of like little tiny dots around it, which these are like really big and flat. Pretty much these ones are only for small brushes, almost like these brushes or like the concealer brushes. It's pretty good. And also if anything, like big brushes like a bronzer, contour brush, blush, you can name whatever, or highlighter brush. This is also good for the big ones because it's mainly for bigger bristles. So bigger bristles are used for the bigger side. The little ones is good for the little side of the brush, if you get the drill. So I'm just going to show you with this base how I do this. So to get this, I'm going to start with the smaller brushes. So having the water on, you don't have to. So pretty much what I do is, I can't open this. So I kind of like wet this, then I'll leave this out, kind of let it kind of run. So I poured a bit on this here. So I'm gonna put it over there. So I'm kind of like let kind of the water run. So I'm gonna wet my brush first and then go with this and just clean around it until it gets like the soapy foam part gets white. As you can see, it's going white. And then you turn on the tap a bit and just clean it out. Pretty now seeing that it's clean and it's white bristles, so I think it's meant to go like that. Well, I meant to push it. So pretty much like this. So we're just going to quickly clean up the smaller brushes and we'll get up to the big ones. Cool, I just managed to put pretty much all of them in their little places. They're like, it's all full now. It's pretty cool. So now I'm going to take these big brushes. There's only like 5 of them there, so that's cool. So pretty much same thing, but putting on the other part. So I'm using a lot of it actually, because there is a lot of product in some of these brushes. You can't really tell with it. I use this my translucent, but I use this so much, so I'm gonna clean it out. You could tell the brown stuff is coming off because that's how much I've used. And how clean it is when you can tell how clean it will be. It's very purple. Doesn't look that powdery or dirt. Cool. It's so weird like sitting in my own toilet, but this is results. So pretty much when I do clean my brushes and I'm not wearing any makeup today and I'm looking at this pimple, it really annoys me, so ignore that. When I don't normally wear makeup for the whole day and night, I'll leave it for 24 hours pretty much through overnight till it's dry, so it's ready to be used for the next day I'm working, or I'm doing something, I don't know. So this stand, it says what it says in the package. It's cool, it's pretty cool. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give this a like and to subscribe my channel down below. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!